Namaste, hello friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make two gift items using marbled paper. The making of marbled paper I have already shown you in my previous videos. I have posted the link down below. Do have a look. I have made this marbled paper using poster paints. I will be rubbing candle or wax over it to make this paper waterproof. In this video you will see how to make bookmarks and a mini folder. Both of them are common craft items, but here what I am emphasizing is that you can create your own colored textured paper, and out of it what kind of a product you can design. You may be getting more ideas, but this video is like an example for all the art students. So we have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye. you.